My name is Sanjay Praharaj, and I've just crossed 59 years of my age. I'm running 60 now. So, my experience of COVID-19 has been varied, and since from March 22nd, the lockdown process in India started. So, I was all alone in my home. My wife had gone to Hyderabad, and she couldn't come back because of the lockdown, and the flights were cancelled. So, all alone, 3 months I have been living here in my home alone. And I have experienced that, let me tell you that this is not the first time the world has seen a pandemic. There have been many pandemics, bacteria-borne diseases as well as virus-borne diseases. There was Spanish flu in 1917. It is repeated again in after 1 century. And before that, there was bubonic plague that has happened throughout the world, in Europe, in India as well. And the cholera outbreak that has happened in Southeast Asia and particularly India. So, well, it happens so after certain generations, because in recent past they had not seen a pandemic of this scale, and when suddenly it appears, so people, I have heard that people took little time to mentally adjust. Initially, there was cross opinion from who, the World Health Organization, the government, the medical community. So people were initially a little bit confused, and naturally fear is more powerful than any other element of human mind. So people expressed a kind of fear, and people felt ki as if COVID was in every corner, COVID will jump up to their soldier. And later on, I marked that I do not know whether it's a compulsion of the life or it's because of the adaptability the human beings they have. All natural animals, they have that adaptability to nature, to vagaries, to catastrophes and everything. So when things started moving and the unlock process started, people, I saw that the fear element had gone out a bit, and now after say 1.5 months of this unlock process, I feel people have taken COVID in their stride. They feel normal. They go to marketplace. Well, mask is there because there is police. Police is guarding, and there is also fine. They charge the fine for not wearing the mask. Mask is there, but people were distancing between themselves. But now, though there is the thing called distancing, but once that fear has gone out of the mind, I started the lockdown process quite stringently, and we sort of delayed. The outbreak of the COVID in that scale. And meanwhile, the World Medical Community's experience, because initially the World Medical Community was not sure about why so much of death was happening because of COVID-19. And that experience of the international medical community, like the medicines of remdesivir or favipiravir, those are basically Ebola drugs, but that has come to a great help to save many patients from the fatalities. So I believe now people have understood what it is, thanks to the information by media, in newspaper and everything. Now people have taken COVID-19 in their stride.
Hi, this is Akshit. I am a fifth class student. Today I am here to talk about the deadly coronavirus pandemic. This pandemic has changed my life completely. This COVID 19 even hit me harder when my father was tested positive for corona. I was really scared then. My grandfather was only source of entertainment during the lockdown. I had developed a close bond with him. But when my father was treated positive for coronavirus, I lost all hopes. But then my mother became my supporting pillar. Besides teaching me how to take online classes, she also taught me how to play games online, how to watch productive YouTube videos. I have learned a lot during this lockdown. While my mother was busy taking care of my grandfather, I helped her in her daily chores. I also made delicious dishes like cakes, custard, etc. in order to make my grandfather happy. This pandemic has changed, taught me important your family is and how important it is to spend time with yourself as well. During lockdown, I have learned also how to paint and write poems in order to maintain positively inside me and my family.
COVID-19 was altogether a very different experience for me, as in uh, both positive and negative. Even positive, I am. It's 3 years now that I have been living outside my hometown in hostel. Appreciating simple things like doing everyday activities, helping your parents, gardening, recreating your hobbies, and looking after everyone in the family. And most importantly for me, it was like reading books. I have really got a lot of time to read quite a lot of stuff. And but negatively, when I was I'm from Delhi actually. My hostel is in Delhi, and when I returned back to Odisha, I remember I returned back on 14th of March, and due to my grandfather passed away, and luckily I came a little. Then I noticed one thing is that mental health. When I came here, I was very scared that if I got some infection along with me, because I have absolute eosinophilia as well as sinusitis a little. So worried because I would have carried a little virus or anything, any infection with me, and my family will be affected. My father is even diabetic, and mentally exhausting, like when you are you have a different set of life when you are in the hostel. When you are out of home, you have built an independent life of your own, but when you return back to your family and all, so it is little difficult to it's not like you don't love your family or such, but things are different. You have settled somewhere, and you come here, and for a long, it's been about 9 months I guess I'm here, and it was little awkward in the middle because you are not able to move out anywhere. But before the lockdown, I had a trip to Mumbai, so it was easier for me to handle all those lockdown ka jitna bhi matlab all those problems or issues that people or youngsters these days are having.
Mamta Praraj, I'm 43 years old. I'm going to say about the situations of corona pandemic as I never heard it from my past generation. It was really a tough task for me to stay inside the home as the lockdown process started. But the coronavirus pandemic taught me a lot. I learned how to manage my time well. I engage myself with my children, playing with my children by cooking new dishes and by watching the new old episodes of Ramayana and Mahabharata. As well as I also entertain myself by watching the new generations channels like Amazon Prime, Netflix, etc. But it's a very panic situation for whole of the world as it affected the lives of the people in various ways. A middle class family, we learned how to manage this situation normally. But the situation of poor became more miserable as they cannot maintain social distancing, proper food, water, etc. As a whole, it really became a major loss for the whole world. But in my point of view, whatever might be the situation, we have to adapt ourselves in the new norms of the society and being safe from the coronavirus and how to fight with the coronavirus.